Can vinegar damage my tile floors?
In today's video, we will be discussing whether vinegar can damage your tile floors or not. Vinegar is a popular cleaning solution due to its affordability, accessibility, and natural properties. But is it safe for all surfaces? Let's find out.
What type of tile flooring do you have?
The first thing you need to consider is the type of tile flooring you have. There are different types of tiles, and each one may react differently to vinegar. Some common types of tile flooring include 1. Ceramic tiles 2. Porcelain tiles 3. Natural stone tiles, such as marble, granite, and travertine.
Can vinegar damage ceramic and porcelain tiles?
The good news is that vinegar is safe to use on ceramic and porcelain tiles. These tiles are made from clay and other materials that are fired at high temperatures, making them highly resistant to damage from acidic substances like vinegar. However, it's essential to dilute the vinegar before using it on your ceramic or porcelain tiles. A proper dilution is 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. This will ensure that the vinegar's acidity is not too strong, preventing potential damage to your tiles or grout.
Can vinegar damage natural stone tiles?
Vinegar is not recommended for natural stone tiles. Natural stone tiles, such as marble, granite, and travertine, are more sensitive to acidic substances than ceramic or porcelain tiles. Using vinegar on natural stone tiles can cause etching, discoloration, or dulling of the surface. Instead, use a pH-neutral cleaner specifically designed for natural stone tiles to keep them clean and well-maintained.
What should I be cautious of when using vinegar on my tile floors?
When using vinegar to clean your tile floors, keep the following in mind. 1. Always dilute the vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar with 1 part water to prevent potential damage to your tiles or grout. 2. Do not use vinegar on natural stone tiles. Use a pH-neutral cleaner designed for natural stone tiles instead. 3. Test on a small, inconspicuous area first. Before using vinegar on your entire floor, test the solution on a small, hidden spot to ensure it won't cause any damage. Vinegar can be a safe and effective cleaning solution for ceramic and porcelain tile floors when properly diluted. However, it is not suitable for natural stone tiles, as it can cause damage to the surface. Remember to always test the vinegar solution on a small, hidden area of your floor before applying it to the entire surface. Happy cleaning!